You made this on an iPad?
What up, everybody? It's ipadbeatmaking.com, and today we're gonna go over making a soulful trap beat. Something inspired by the old sound of Kanye West, along with that modern trap sound with the drums and the 808s.
ipadbeatmaking.com.
Now, the first thing I want to do is bring the tempo down from 140 to about like 101. So it'll be a really slow double time. And right now I'm basically looking for the perfect vocals to give me that soulful feel that I want. So I'm gonna keep searching through these. And I'm liking these because they have that vibrato at the end of it. Gives it a really nice soulful feel. Now I'm bringing the cutoff to 50% to take away some of the high end on it. Give it a little bit more mutedness. And now I'm going to EQ one of the frequencies to leave room for vocals on the track. Now, I sampled these pianos out of Keyscape for desktop originally, but I sampled them into Obsidian to be able to take them everywhere on the go with me. And I just really like the feel of this piano here. It's got like a more dark, muted sound. And I'm adding some coarse to it to kind of change the feel, as well as some EQ and some reverb. And I just have a lot of these things on just presets that just work. You know, I'm not at the final mix stage or anything, but to keep getting the feel, it's good enough. Now, this is a nice simple kick. It's not too busy. It's a really simple 808. It's just gonna follow everything else. But what I'm already not liking about it is there's no kick behind it, but there's a lot of impact on the 808. So I already know I want to adjust the attack for sure. And I'm gonna alter the cutoff and add to the drive of it also. And this is everyone on iOS's favorite FAC Bandit, especially for 808s and things like that. Get a lot of vibe and saturation out your 808s with that. I'm cutting some of the low end out of the 808 to make room for the kick. And now I gotta work on these hi-hats. and I'm just going to draw them in again until we get note repeat in NanoStudio 2, playable note repeat. This is kind of the way it works. You just draw them in with the pencil. If you have an iPad with a pencil, and you kind of just keep demoing it until you get the results you want. On this one, I'm using H 32nd and 164 on different parts. Simple, but it's enough. And I add coarse to it to kind of give it a little flange, give it a little edge. Now I need to add a snare, typical trap snare. Again, I'm gonna bring some of the high end down in it and add some reverb. Again, sampled these in Keyscape. I just think they got a real cool feel, really rich. Something that's kind of hard to find on iOS. So I'm gonna play these and hopefully it goes. And now I want to create some variation on my 808. I want to have it pitch down. I got an idea for the intro on how it's going to open up. So I want the pitch bend of the 808 to kind of drop and fall, give it a cool feel. And I think we got that. I think that's working. Got to put your beat tags in. And that's about it. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. All social media is ipadbeatmaking. And be sure to check out some kits I got for NanoStudio 2 as well as other apps on ipadbeatmaking.com. Peace. And here's the playback.
You made this on the iPad.